Hello guys, welcome to our channel Berozgar Engineer. So in this video I will tell you about a Valorant error problem. So how to fix it I will tell you in this video. So please make sure you subscribe our channel and don't skip this video. Follow step by step and your problem will be solved. So I will tell you two methods. So first method, in first method you need to close the game. After close the game you need to run the game in run as administrator. So try to run this game as a run as an administrator, and when you open this as an administrator, your game will be work properly, and the error problem in the game will be solved. So try this method, and after trying this method you need to if this method not work, you need to try a second method. So first method is very good. It's has a probability 90% working. If this not work, then you try second method. So in second method you need to shut down the PC and start it again. You need to first of all shut down it, and for 5 or 10 minutes you need to shut down it, and make sure you start it after 10 minutes, and then you need to open your game, and your game will work fine properly without an error. So this is the solution of this game. I hope you like this video and make sure you subscribe our channel.